Bristol is luxurious. It made the world's first chocolate eggs for Easter. Bristol is brave. It made its own currency and turned it into a success. Bristol is special, as it holds the address to your new home. IQ Bristol Student Residence opens its doors to the future leaders of the free world. Premium ensuite and private spaces are breezily accoutered with queen beds and divans opulent with natural light. The bathrooms in sterling white are therapeutic after a rigorous session at the in-house gym, while the petite kitchen, decked with a freezer, ovens, and microwaves, are beckoning to your inner Nigella Lawson or Jamie Oliver. The residence is especially popular with students of the University of Bristol, City College of Bristol, and the Bristol Doctoral College, who hail many a cab through the city's dense thoroughfare. Students also love to make a stop at St. Nicholas Market on their way back for groceries and the daily needs of early adulting. Weekends are leisurely, with some freshly pulled pasta and brewed espresso at the neighborhood Taste of Napoli for breakfast. Indulge in a burger and beer at the Asado, while Pie Minister is to break a creamy savory pie with your friends. You must take your parents and loved ones who come to visit you to Marriott on the proud day of your graduation. Life bristles with adventures at the IQ Bristol, making you the captain of your tales. Book now and set sail with amberstudent.com.